Think a U.S. visa requires a university degree? The M-1 visa is designed for your hands-on vocational skills. Dreaming of the U.S. but not planning on a university? The M-1 visa offers a real path for skilled, practical careers. The M-1 visa is for students in vocational or technical programs, not traditional degrees. It unlocks hands-on learning in the U.S. If you want to master a trade, not just study theory, the M-1 might be your golden ticket. M-1 is ideal for careers that require hands-on skills: mechanics, pilots, culinary artists, and more. It's built for doers. You can pursue culinary arts, flight training, information technology, healthcare support, or even welding. Aviation programs are popular. Train as a pilot in the U.S., no university degree required, just skills and dedication. Cosmetology, design, and various trades are open to M-1 visa students. Real-world skills take the front seat. Technical trades like IT and engineering support also qualify. The U.S. values skill-based careers across industries. Graduating from an M-1 program allows you to apply for optional practical training, real, on-the-job U.S. experience. M-1 OPT typically lasts up to 6 months and gives a chance to turn your training into work experience in the U.S. Dreaming bigger? Some M-1 graduates eventually switch to an H-1B work visa, though the path takes time and planning. Top U.S. careers: mechanics, chefs, healthcare support, pilots, IT specialists. Skills matter everywhere. Choosing the right school matters. Accredited U.S. vocational schools help launch your global career. Your skill is your key to the U.S. Ready to take the first step? Comment M-1 list for top schools.